Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out a Form 1099 step by step. First, determine if you are required to issue a Form 1099. Generally, this applies if you paid an unincorporated independent contractor $600 or more for services. Next, select the appropriate Form 1099, such as a 1099 NEC for non-employee compensation. Finally, collect all the necessary details for both the payer and the recipient, including names, addresses, and taxpayer identification numbers. Now, let's focus on the income details. Enter the total amount paid to the recipient in the designated income box, typically Box 1 for Form 1099 NEC. If you withheld any federal income tax, place that amount in Box 4. Similarly, report any state tax withheld in the appropriate state boxes, usually boxes 5 through 7. Always consult the specific instructions for your Form 1099 type, as certain boxes are for unique income categories. Before submitting, meticulously review every field on your Form 1099. Verify that all names, addresses, and identification numbers are correct to prevent processing delays. Confirm that the income and withholding amounts match your records precisely. Don't forget to sign and date the form where required. Finally, ensure you submit the form to the IRS and provide copies to recipients by the specified deadlines, which is typically January 31. To avoid common pitfalls, double-check taxpayer identification numbers and ensure all amounts are entered correctly. Incorrect information can lead to penalties or delays. Always retain copies of all Forms 1099 you issue for your own records, typically for at least 3 years. This helps with future tax filings or audits. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.